The modern home has undergone a profound architectural transformation, shedding its rigid, compartmentalized past in favor of expansive, open-concept living. Today, the kitchen and the living room frequently coexist within a single, uninterrupted volume of space. While this layout champions connectivity and social interaction, it simultaneously demands a masterful approach to interior design. The central dilemma lies in merging the high-energy, utilitarian nature of a culinary workspace with the restful, restorative atmosphere of a lounging area. The most elegant solution to this spatial puzzle is the adoption of a thoughtfully curated minimalist color palette. By eschewing chaotic patterns and jarring color clashes in favor of intentional, restrained hues, homeowners can create a visual bridge that seamlessly connects these two distinct zones. A minimalist approach does not strip a home of its character. Rather, it distills the environment down to its most harmonious elements, ensuring that the open floor plan feels unified, purposeful, and deeply serene. The new neutrality, beyond stark white. For decades, minimalist design was erroneously synonymous with clinical, unforgiving whites. However, contemporary minimalism embraces a much richer, softer interpretation often referred to as warm minimalism. This aesthetic relies on complex neutrals such as oatmeal, soft plaster, warm alabaster, and taupe that possess subtle, earthy undertones. When applied across an open kitchen and living room, these forgiving shades create an inviting, luminous envelope that profoundly soothes the senses. Imagine walls bathed in a delicate, warm grayish that flows uninterrupted from the dining peninsula straight to the media wall. In the kitchen, this hue softens the gleam of stainless steel appliances and crisp quartz surfaces, reducing the industrial edge. As the color transitions into the living area, it wraps the room in a comforting embrace, providing a gentle backdrop for relaxed evenings. By selecting a foundational neutral with a warm undertone, the entire open plan feels less like a sterile art gallery and more like a welcoming, lived-in sanctuary. Subtle zoning, defining space without walls. While visual continuity is the ultimate goal, a completely uniform application of a single color can sometimes lead to a cavernous or monotonous environment. The brilliance of an advanced minimalist palette lies in its ability to facilitate subtle zoning. This strategy involves using micro-shifts in color to delineate functional areas without erecting physical or jarring visual barriers. For instance, a homeowner might select a tripartite gradient of a single soothing hue, such as a muted slate or an airy sage green. The kitchen cabinetry could feature the most saturated, darkest version of the color, effectively anchoring the workspace and grounding the culinary room. The adjacent living room walls might be painted in the lightest, most ethereal tint of that same sage, promoting a feeling of airy expansiveness and rest. Finally, the mid-tone could be utilized in shared elements, bridging the gap beautifully. This tonal stepping creates a psychological boundary that respects function while maintaining cohesion. The Japandi influence, with tones and muted hues. One of the most compelling iterations of minimalist color harmony is found in the Japandi style, a beautiful hybridization of Japanese rustic minimalism and Scandinavian functionality. This approach relies heavily on a muted, nature-inspired palette paired with an absolute abundance of natural timber. In bridging the kitchen and living room, the Japandi palette utilizes soft charcoals, muted moss greens, and pale rice paper whites, all anchored by the warmth of oak, walnut, or bamboo. The color story here is largely told through the materials themselves, where wood acts as a vital color component providing a continuous, grounding rhythm. A slatted wooden island in the kitchen can effortlessly converse with a low-profile wooden coffee table in the living room space. By keeping the surrounding painted surfaces in quiet, muted hues, the natural grain and color of the wood take center stage, establishing an organic, zen-like flow that easily transcends the utilitarian nature of the cooking space. The interplay of light and finish. In a minimalist interior, where color choices are highly restrained, the interaction between light and surface finish becomes absolutely paramount. The exact same shade of paint will register entirely differently on a matte kitchen cabinet than it will on a textured living room wall or a glossy ceramic tile. Understanding this interplay allows designers to create depth without introducing any new colors to the environment. Consider a palette based entirely on soft clay. In the kitchen, applying a satin or semi-gloss finish to the cabinetry ensures durability and reflects natural light, making the workspace feel remarkably bright and dynamic. In the living room, utilizing a flat or lime wash finish in that identical clay hue absorbs the light, yielding a softer, more velvety appearance that encourages evening relaxation. By manipulating finishes, the open plan retains its strict color discipline but gains a sophisticated, tactile complexity that shifts beautifully as the sun moves. Cohesive accents. Nature as the color palette. A truly successful minimalist palette often incorporates elements of the natural world as its primary source of accent color. Rather than relying on vibrant throw pillows or brightly painted accent walls, this approach introduces subtle bursts of color through organic materials. Greenery is the ultimate unifier in this regard. A lush, potted olive tree positioned in the corner of the living room instantly harmonizes with a collection of fresh culinary herbs thriving on the kitchen windowsill. Similarly, the rich, earthy red of an unglazed terracotta fruit bowl on the kitchen island can be echoed by a terracotta table lamp or a ceramic sculpture placed in the living space. These organic accents provide the perfect amount of visual interest without disrupting the overarching tranquility of the minimalist scheme. They breathe quiet life into the neutral canvas, ensuring that the harmonious flow between the kitchen and the living room feels incredibly authentic, grounded, and flawlessly resolved.